I'm Bretherton, CEO of Caddie, and I'm here to introduce you to Caddie 28. Many of you have told us over the last year that the best thing about Caddie 27 is reliability and performance. We were therefore very keen to ensure that 28 maintains that reliability and performance despite gaining a lot of new functionality, and from feedback so far we've achieved that. Almost all the new features that you'll see today are the result of requests from our users, from single-person practices to large governmental departments. The ideas that come from the user base is what makes Caddie so different and so much more productive than most other systems. So what's new in Caddie 28? When we introduced GIS technology into Caddie a few years back, we knew there was a need for it, but we never anticipated quite how popular it would be. Caddie 28 adds a lot of new features to the GIS, making it easier and more flexible to use and better integrated with other apps such as the survey and DTM. We've also introduced the long sought after vehicle turning or swept path analysis tools, improved licensing, new tools for working with as-built surveys, faster editing in both 2D and 3D, and improved presentation. These are just a few of the areas that have been enhanced over the last year. In fact, there are so many new features this year that to keep Charles' presentation to a reasonable length, we're highlighting just the more important ones. Other more trivial improvements you'll discover as you use 28 by reading the command line or the on-screen prompts. Thank you for taking time out to watch the presentation, and I hope that you enjoy your Caddie 28.